How to use Smart Resize in Picsart. Want to quickly resize your designs for multiple platforms? Here's how to use Smart Resize in Picsart. After creating or opening your design, go to the Tools menu and select Smart Resize. Choose from preset sizes for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or set custom dimensions. Picsart automatically adjusts your elements to fit the new size proportionally. Preview and make any small tweaks if needed before applying. Once you're happy, export your resized design in seconds. Do you resize most often for social posts or web graphics? Let us know in the comments below. Save your most used custom dimensions for quick access next time. And that's how you can use a Smart Resize in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.